They say one of our brother don't cry come outside though. No be small thing. They say that this our brother be one building house for inside Lagos or for other state for outside Igbo land. Now in friends come tell and say no, make him carry this investment, carry and come for Igbo land. Say e better say him do am for him hometown wey be Enugu. Now this our brother go buy land. As he buy the land, now the people give him all the whole document. He come build a place. Be like say that place, be like say na hotel because the message the gas be, but however you put this structure for this side, they say one man be one buy this place, the man wey one buy there now come eventually enter inside government, come get access to the demolish people's house like that. So now the man come carry this house go down for no reason. Now this our brother don't cry come outside say, I will say no if we put this structure for outside Igbo land. Why you go carry in thing? Igbo lota n'ulo, Igbo lota n'ulo. Nah, we don't lotara ulo. I don't come carry on our wahala, come the push for us again. Waiting they do for Lagos, they don't do am for Enugu. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today are the first time where they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back. I see the hot. My wonderful people, no be smart, you know, things are happening. They said that our people will run from Lagos come say may they come put their structure for her. Say nah, they don't think another way whether they go run come out again because of the lack of conduct for office, and that cause all those things. According to the video where you go watch now, they say the governor don't give orders, say may they no bring this structure down, say he no do anything, but still yet the person look the governor down, go carry the building go down. We will play you this video, may you watch, and before we come back, continue.
If I say come and invest in it, please, please, please. Please, everyone, very important. Now, Governor, I got watch video. Don't move again. Don't move anything again. Money, Lagos. I say, come home and invest. Okay, I say, get up to Lagos. Get up to Lekki. Get up to Abuja. Only up na watch video. Share the video. Arune mena Enugu State. Nnukwu Arune mena Enugu State. Enugu bụ nke nsi bụrụ ebe mbi. Uni na bụ one old man a na-akpọ Uche Anyanwụ ya. Onwe one old man onye Oji River. Afia bụ Uche Anya. Before nkwubi from Uche Anya. Uche Anya. Ị ga-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Uche Anya onye isi ndị capital territory. Ana m asị gị na Enugu ga-etigbu gị. Uche Anya ama m na ị na-anụ ọnụ m. Uche Anya ọmandịrị gị na mma. Biko nụ, achọ m ọnụ mmadụ, biko. Ebe a na-akpọ Brit Lounge n'Enugu. Ebe a na-akpọ Brit Lounge. Our governor bụ Dr. Peter Mbah winere election. Anyị niile kwadoro our governor si ama Enugu a ka ọ dị mma. Ka Enugu a bụrụ capital anyị Igbo ọ bụ. I kwete wee deliver our governor. Onye nwe ebe a ife alụrụ ebe a si ya lụọ ya na Lagos. Osimba na asa akụruo na amara onye kpara ya. Onye a wee buru ego niile ọ gbatara na mbọ n'obodo oyibo rapụ Lagos bataba anyị Igbo. Gọvanọ iwe mee nwoke onye isi capital territory. Onwe oge nwoke a chọrọ ịga ana ife ume a na-akpọ Uche Anya mme post foto ya. Ndị nwe ebe ekwere eresi Uche Anya ana. Please, no noise, no noise, no noise. Audience. Any muka webeli is here for 20 years. Raw arguably the best lounge in Enugu State. Uche Anya sina na begu eba. Uche Anya be aba say lo eba. Na ebuzina anything again. Be silent for some time. Biko. After Uche Anya bụrụ sale ebe a. One house, stop! 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 What can you do? Who is this man? When they pull on this man ever, up here ever. Who got his show the grandma?
Yeah. One crate, one assassins.
What put on now? Please, people na check and kuoku onogorum. Put on one guy that you man you put on one guy. Bikono. Leave this place. Leave this place. Leave this place. Naria botola. Mama ni sire, naria botola. It's okay. Because one house, people are watching, one house.
Audience.
Because uche anya bia mechi ebe a. Uche anya onye ochiri for apụrụ ọnụ mechiri ebe a. Ndị nwe ebe a wee gboro dokumenti niile ha nwe jebe na gọọmenti. Enye ha terms and conditions a ga-eji wee mepee ebe a. Stop, please. Every conversation goes in here. Corrupt ibi itinye onwe gị na nsogbu. Gọvanọ anyị na-ekwu maka ya na watch, please. Emepesiri ebe a. Si ndị a na-ama na-akpa egwu ebe a. Ndị akwụte na-ama na-akpa egwu ebe a. Pupu spika niile nwere ebe a. Uche anya. Sikwa na ebe a ma mme exist again mechie ebe a. Uche anya loku business ya for close to 1 month. Ife niile dị perishable enwere ebe a mebisie. Mụnwa jekwuru gọvanọ Enugu steeti, gọvanọ Ndụbụisi Mbah. Ejem na gọọmenti house but office asebula ana. Nsi nwanne m good afternoon. Osi m okwulu ọra ka ihe ọ ga-emelu m. Nsi Your Excellency, biko mepenu Brit Lounge. Ma nkwu ikwere Enugu na ị ga-eme investors ka adị comfortable. Na ị ga-edi risk every barrier. Enwere investment in Enugu. Gọvanọ isi m na-ekperi abụ ka people may invest in Enugu. Ka ọ ga-esi mechie nke na-eme exist. Gọvanọ wee gbaa Uche anya by 4 p.m. Si ya Uche anya open Brit Lounge. Uche anya mepere ebe a. Uche anya gwara ndị a gwa ndị nwe businesses na Enugu na gọvanọ is small boy. Ihe a na-agwa gị ndị nọ na meeting a ebe a. N'oge ọ nọ na steeti assembly ka ebe gọvanọ nọ. N'oge ọ gọrọ ụnọ na Georgia ka ebe nwanne m nwoke bụ gọvanọ nọ. Uche anya nọ n'iru ndị mmadụ kparịa executive governor of Enugu State. Nse nyalụ nwanne m voice note. Si amụọ nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke. Uche anya bịa n'ime abalị ka time o ji mepe ebe a.
2:30 a.m.
Mgbe oge o mepere ya emepe. Ebe 12 ime abalị.
My wonderful people, make you tell me what you think for this video where you just watch. E good like this wey we go dey tell our people, we dey preach every day say if you get 3 things for outside, make you carry 2 keep for house, carry 1 for that place. In case of something happen, you go still hold 1 hand and use the other one stand. And now our people now wey come take this advice, they carry their things they come house. Even though the structure no dey for a good part, na this way to carry am down na be the best thing. Why not them call them, give them another place and check how much that thing worth the government can pay back and make sure say everybody dey okay. Now if we dey do ourselves like this for inside Southeast, tell me how our people fit get the courage come back home fully, come invest massively in Igbo land. Please share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates as you dey hot. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back.